Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ace and I'm back with another reaction video. Here we go. Alright, so today I'm going to be reacting to another Madonna song. This is something that was recommended in the comments of the secret reaction, I believe. This is Human Nature. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what it's going to be about.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Okay, I like that beat.
Express yourself,
Very,
don't
very
repress
soft.
yourself. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. You wouldn't let me say the words I know to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex. I must have been
You know I couldn't talk about sex, okay?
Did I stay too long? Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. You punish me for
Okay, let's pause for a minute. Okay, the song seems to be like a lashing out. She's like criticizing her critics. She's basically saying, I'm not sorry, I did what I wanted to do, and you know, you can be mad, but I'm not gonna be mad. I'm not gonna let you, put me back into a box. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving everything about it. I like the outfits. I think the sort of leather dominatrix outfits is kind of fun. The dancers, I like the dancing, I like the choreography, I like the hair, the cornrows. Madonna is rocking cornrows, almost like a brunette. What was her name? What's the name of that actress? It was a 70s actress. Oh my God, I can't remember. But she was blonde, but she had like cornrows. But Madonna's doing it in black. So anyway, yeah, I'm loving this so far. So far, so good. Let's keep going.
telling you my fantasies. I'm breaking all the rules I didn't. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You took my words and made a trap for silly fools. You held me down and tried to make me break. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I could talk about you. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. It's human nature. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself.
Looks like the Taco Bell dog.
Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself.
What's that she was wearing on her face?
Did I say something true? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. Must have been crazy. Did I have a point of view? Oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about you. What was I thinking?
lashing out, but it's also very humorous and
human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Handle it. And I'm not sorry. I'm not apologizing. It's human nature. Would it sound better if I were a man? And I'm not sorry. You're the one with the problem. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Why don't you just deal with it? 'Cause I'm not sorry. Would you like me better if I was? It's human nature. We all feel the same way. And I'm not sorry. I have no regrets. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Absolutely no regrets.
All right, so that was an A plus all around. I love everything about it. I love the song. I love the video. I love the production on the song. Madonna really pulled off that hip hop beat. I'm amazed that a pop singer like Madonna could really kind of delve into that genre with such ease. And it's like she delved into it and she didn't try to start rapping. She didn't try to, change up the way she normally does things. She just kind of went into it and still did her own thing on top of it. So yeah, everything about that was just perfect. I love the choreography. I love the way that they situated the box with the dancers, and they kept trying to pull her back into the box. I like the message of the song. She kept saying, "Express yourself, don't repress yourself." It was obviously, her, lashing out at critics. I know that Madonna tends to be a very, what do they say, like a polarizing figure. The people who love her worship her, but the people who don't love her tend to be very, I guess, brutal in their depictions and criticisms of her. So that was basically her just giving, all the haters a middle finger. Stylistically, I love the hair. I love the cornrows. The outfit. Yeah, everything about that was just perfect. That was A plus all around. That was 105% iPod worthy. So let me know. Oh, also, I want to point this out. I love the sarcasm. I like the whispers. I kept on trying to listen because there was the verses that she was basically giving her narrative and talking about people hating on her and people wanting to put her in a box and et cetera, et cetera. But underneath all that, she was whispering sarcastic remarks. That part was hilarious to me. That was funny as hell. So yeah, like I said, this is an A plus, all around A plus. Loved it. I want to thank whoever it was that suggested this video. This was, it was almost like I know the suggestion came from the Secret reaction. I know it did, and like Secret, it had that sort of hip hop beat, but this one was much more straightforward. This is just a straightforward hip hop. It was like a protest song on top of a hip hop beat, which is perfect. It's like the perfect marriage between the two. But let me know how you feel about Human Nature. Where does this song stack with you? How do you feel about it? And if there's anything that I missed, anything that I got wrong with my depiction and dissertation of the song and video, let me know. Give me some comments, like and subscribe, and until next time, peace.